Namaste. Just a second to see, are you hear me and see me just right? Okay, you see and hear me right. I really don't have intention to do series about offline evolution and offline programs in human body, but I think that is very important, and that is core of something that started happening last year. For many people, that is really started 2020, but it's more aggressive and more stable is from last year, 2024. And through all this year, many things will start to unveil, to showing again. And I think all day how to start about this, because that is many things that I must to say in preparation for this theme. But I like to start with something that I hope, because I talk about this in this channel, how we made. We are not evolution of monkeys, because you have primate, you have monkeys, just like this kind that many claims that we are evolved, but that is very impossible, because birds are dinos. Why you don't have dinos right now, but you have birds? Because evolution is not something that you have both species in the same time in the same area. So how you evolved from monkeys? You're not. We are we are humanoids that is calibrate for needs and environment in the planet Earth. And who made us? Anunnakis, alien species that is very old, alien species that more or less made every humanoid species that you will know about. And all of us share some kind of multi-genome that is have evolved through many generation and many planetary system. And this kind of genome is something that have 12 strings for many humanoid that is 13, 14, as many as 20 strings. And for us, human is between 12 and 13. Why I say between? Because we are humanoids. You have people, you have humans, you have another kind of creatures that is also humanoids, and that is very similar to human beings. And this kind of soul is count like earth-based souls, but they are not humans. You have vampires, you have fae, you have werewolves, you have Atlanteans, that is basically same species like us, but they are living in oceans, and that's why we have so many water in the planet Earth, because Anunnakis wants to originally to make humans live in ocean just, but many things are not same that Anunnakis want to be. So we are humans that have very complex DNA, but this kind of genomes is I don't know how to put this. We are in the state of degrading evolution. I don't know, are these have some kind of sense, but that is something, because everything that Anunnaki made have this kind of genome that is manipulated to can sustain life in the particular planet, and have some kind of perks that every planet has. And humans are not evoluting for many years. Since Matrix is come, because Matrix come few thousand or few millennia after first human are made and Anunnaki leave planet Earth. Since then, human evolution is go sideways. We are not evolving as is plan. So that will be very big topics and very big problem in years that is come, because we are going through transformation to 5D, and many of you are currently in the state of rapid transition in the 5D. And first thing that Pleiadians and another beings that are in the something that is calling Galactic Federation and Galactic Council is currently thinking are our genome really evolved enough to be in the state of 5D? Are our physical bodies, our mental body, our emotional body, and our DNA, our core DNA is strong enough to be in the 5D? Why this? Because we have many things that is not strong enough, is not awake enough, and we have many things that does not exist anymore in our DNA. Because how I say our DNA, because there is exist in my DNA, but I am starseed, and my physical body are different than yours. I look like human, and I am human because I live in the planet Earth, but my DNA is drastically different than yours. So human DNA originally have something, I know for maybe five things that is something that I very sure that every human should have, but of course that is either that is not longer in our DNA or is not active. Maybe when we go through another phase of transition in 5D, this starts to unravel again, and you'll be able to have this. And first thing that I think that no longer exists in the planet Earth, because I try many people to teach this, and not many of them can do this. People who are starseed can do this, but human base soul have basic understanding what is this, but but cannot successfully and fully understand and do this. That is something that is calling burning cells, or self-regulate cells memory. That is something that your cell, you have intelligence in your mental level, and you have intelligence of your body, not your cells, your whole physical body, and your whole mental body, and your whole emotional body. You have consciousness in the whole level of forms, of different state of your existing, but not in cellular level, because every cells in your body should have their own stability and kind of consciousness. But many people don't have this, just don't have. They cannot understand what I say, and many of you, I believe, don't understand what I say, because my cells know how to communicate with my mind. That sounds very crazy, but that is true. Every human should have this kind of communication. That is something that every cell have a kind of diagnose system. Every cell know are this cell, this singular cell, are sick or not, that is healthy or not. Every cell should know how to repair himself, and every cell should know how to communicate with basic mind, with your core mind, with your brain, if you will, how to make sustainable environment for self, every cell. Many humans don't have idea what they're talking about, and many humans basically don't know how to do this. I have some kind of technique, and you should try this for self tonight. Before you go to sleep, in the last few minutes before you go to bed, just lay still and say for self, dear my cells, you and I, we are one. We are one being. We are one with universe, and we are one with creation, and we are one with everything that is good for us, and we are one with our higher self. And tonight I want you to run full preparation for new day, and if something is not right for you, just tell me. And late still, try to don't have things, don't have any thoughts about everything and anything, and listen yourselves, listen your body, how your body react, how your thoughts are different. Many things can happening, and that is something that you maybe can manage, but that is something that human is should not do consciously. That is something that is should run in background all time, but that is not. If you don't have memories of this, if you don't consciously create this kind of link every day, your cells will go to state of sleep. So cells don't really know, for many humans, are there is problem or not, because when we go through matrix want to make environment that is sleeping, that is numb for everything, that is good for them to make people slaves, to make people addict from drugs, from therapies, from doctors, from many things. Because I many time I say that human body can absolutely repair himself if you let them, and I stand behind this, because you have how. Another things that is permanently erased from human body, from many human bodies, are something that that is closely relate with this, again, cellular level, because every not just every cells, every group of cells, every organ know how to manage to sustain himself. Every organ have their own intelligence, and for many people, that is when I say, ask your physical body, ask your organs, and ask yourself what they want to eat. For many people, first respond is, I want to junk food. That is not something that you ever have your organs say to you. Never ever. Not even meat is something that your body usually say to you. Every organ and everything know how to eat, what want to eat, what want to feel, how to ground himself, what kind of people or creatures or animals or plants they want to be in the surrounding, and when you should leave. are anything of this is possible for you? Are you know what your physical body want to eat today? You don't, because people eat emotions, don't eat food for physical health. They eat food because emotion is something that matrix is made you to believe is very important in your physical form. That is important, but not in your physical form. So you always want to eat something that your emotional body wants, because your lack of emotion stimulants, because matrix made you to be alone, to be separate of human decency and human emotion and human well-beings and humans in general, because we are not meant to be alone all the time. When I say alone, that is not means you are just physically alone. You can be alone if you're surrounding of 1,000 peoples, because not of all peoples are your peoples, and your physical body have some kind of recognition still about this, but it's not in the level that you're able to consciously make the decision that is good for you. Again, matrix is winning here. And because all this, because you don't have memories about this, you have memory that is not in focus anymore, that is not about your, because many thoughts are not yours, and this is how matrix will trick you to be in this kind of web of matrix. Another things that is partially here, that is starting to recover, I think, in the at least people that are 5D. Nerve regulation, because your neurological system is should be very elastic, very quick in the repair itself, and you should not kept all trauma in your system. That is something that I have high hope that one day will return, because I don't think that is permanently damaged or erased from human bodies, because many people nowadays know how to regulate self, how to release trauma, how to don't be involved for many things. So maybe there is hope in this, but for many people, sadly, is life is just fear-based system and chronic accumulation of fear and stress and many things that is pure don't exist. So I'm sorry. And another things that I want to talk about, is your attention for many things, because your attention of everything is chaos. You're basically live in chaos that have no specific rules, and everything that is around you and inside you is just big mess. Just like you're living in the very packed with nonsense house, just like you're hoarding many things, and you cannot find your keys, your plate, your dishes, your everything. But you have everything around you, but you don't have what you need, and you don't have an idea where is this, because your attention is very short, and system will convince you that you must do multitask, and you must know everything of everything. That is not true. That is not something that you should know and you should do, because originally your attention will be your inner intuition. Your attention are just your intuition, and maybe many people have some form of intuition, but for many people that is not full form of intuition, because your attention should be always be inside you, to manage your sensation in your physical body, your very subtle signals that your physical form give you. But for many people that is not. For some people have short period that have this kind of sensation, but for many people that is not something that works. So in another world, we are living in a system that is very chaotic and permanently don't have sense. We're living in the many stimulants that have illusion that we are strong, we are in many forms, in blessings, and we are, but our physical body is not evolving enough. In fact, our physical body does not evolve at all, and that will be a very strong problem very soon, because our planet going through 5D, and our physical form must follow this, and galactic council is very worry how to manage to do this, because they don't have enough information to say are we prepared enough or not, but most likely we are not. I'm sorry. And that is all what I want to say. Just a second to see are we have some questions or not. we are not. I think I see some comment that someone is erased. I don't know why, but comment is very have sense. So I will answer with this, regardless of erasing. Who made Anunnakis? Anunnakis are very old kind of aliens, and they calling this kind of aliens or humanoid from another era, and my soul is from another era. So my soul is very old, and my original peoples and my original planet are not here for many lifetimes and many thousand and many millions lifetimes over. And Anunnaki are these kind of creatures, and who made us? Divine source. That is something that is very interesting, and maybe in future I will make longer video about this. But in moment when divine source are made, they divine source made something that is calling angels. You know them like angels, and they made humanoids that is very complex, that is not angels, but they have some kind of ability. Someone of them are maker, that is Anunnakis, are maker for another civilization and another human-like form. Another are guardians, that will be me. Another are teachers. Another are, I don't know, many kind of humanoids are. So that is very complex thing, but Anunnakis is last of this kind of civilization that have physical form, and they are living right now. So that is very rare. That is unique. And that is all for today, and see you in the next live, that is next Monday. Satnam.